work locally, I think, it's really common sense. In the private sector, if you don't show up to work, it's taken from your salary. It should be the same case here in Congress. And to be honest, for all branches of government, na kung hindi ka nagpapakita, if there is absenteeism on your part, then you should not be allowed to collect the salary because you have not put in any work. I think the Filipino people and especially Congress deserve nothing but excellence, and I think the institutions that we all work for should provide the environment in which that excellence should flourish. So I think we need to start making changes around here to really show ang ating mga kababayan that we're here to work and that we're here to get things done, which is what I hope the bill will reflect, and hopefully maybe other branches of government can do the same.
Yung sa no work, no pay bill po ba, may pinatatamaan po ba kayo, or is it because general po ba si Senator Bato po ba ang pinatatamaan dito sa bill na ito?
Ikaw naman nag-intriga ka lang. No. I'm not singling anyone out. I think this is just the right step forward for the legislature as an institution. It's no secret that there have been cases of absenteeism and people not showing up to committee hearings or joining debates on the floor. And generally, the more people debate on legislation, the better quality legislation is produced. So really, we're just trying to make sure that the best laws are passed for the Filipino people.
Sir, at the time na ma-refer na sa Committee on Justice yung namang impeachment complaints versus Bibi Sara Duterte, would you also...
I'm not going to be commenting on any impeachment complaints for anyone for the time being.
Kung one of the offenses discussed in the impeachment
Sir,
hearings...
kakasabi ko lang hindi
No, but
hindi ko pag-uusapan ang impeachment
but
and anything to do with the topics or anything that was spoken about on the Committee on Justice hearing.
Okay, but how
I'm
do you...
recusing myself from anything and everything. So if it was mentioned in the Justice Committee hearing, I will not be commenting on it.
Well, not directly related to the impeachment complaint, but the BBM parametric formula
Yes,
based
sir.
on the PCIJ report, your district and the former speaker's district are the districts that got the highest shares. So I'd just like to get your response.
I'm
to
actually
this.
glad you brought up that topic. Number one, that was a initiative of the executive. Meaning wala po kinalaman ng congressman, wala po kinalaman ng legislative sa pag-allocate ng kahit anuman na amount doon. Bilang isang mambabatas, bilang isang tao na kung ang kanyang trabaho na ipaglaban ang kailangan ng kanyang distrito, my mayors, my constituents, my barangay captains come to me with priority projects all the time. And it is my job to forward those projects where necessary. But it is the prerogative of the executive as to where those funds go when the NEP arrives into Congress. So with regards to that, you will probably have to ask the DPWH. But again, it is the job of a congressman to fight for the projects in their district to make sure that the constituents are well taken care of and that their priorities are met and received.
So in your view, is it just a coincidence that the relatives of the president are the ones that
Again,
got the
you
highest
will
share?
have to ask the DPWH that. But with regards to the accusation that it is what you call soft court, the definition of court is a lump sum amount that is given to someone and they can do with it as they please. When you look at the budget po, line item po yan per amount basis. So it's projects that are accounted for. So that's what I will say in that regard. But again, with regards to the rest of your statement, I think the DPWH would be best positioned to answer that question.
Sir,